Today, I'm attempting something I've never done before, solving a Rubik's Cube, blindfolded. I don't know how this will go, but I'm going all in. So I'm gonna shuffle this Rubik's Cube. This is a Rubik's Cube I saw previously in one of my past videos. But this time I'm gonna do it blindfolded. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shuffle it. Make sure that it's actually properly shuffled. Alright, so I have kind of shuffled it a little bit, you can see. So now I'm going to proceed to put my blindfold on. I couldn't get myself like a very good blindfold, but here's all I have. Here's my blindfold. I couldn't get myself like a very good blindfold, but I'm gonna try and cover my face with this, like, you know, just to... Oh boy.
Once the blindfold is on, there is no turning back.
So I was not able to solve it, the Rubik's Cube, blindfolded. And well, I'm actually quite disappointed. But you know what? Um, I'm gonna try and turn my disappointment into something like a fuel, so I can, get back on the grind with my next video or my next challenge or even my next, possible attempt at solving the Rubik's Cube again. I did watch some videos before doing this, but when I put on the blindfolded, the moment I put the blindfolded on, that's when I realized it was going to be much harder than I anticipated it to be. Ah man, I wish I could have just gotten it correct. But prior to this video, there was like I think some few weeks ago, I did make like a video challenge where I solved the Rubik's Cube in, I think it was 7 days. So yeah, I can actually solve a Rubik's Cube. It was just, doing it blindfolded was the main challenge. I wasn't expecting it to be that hard, but yeah, when I put the blindfold on, I was like, oh shoot, I'm in big trouble right now. Ah man. Well, I'm gonna train, and well, hopefully I get back much stronger than I am right now. Challenge complete. Well, I know that I wasn't able to solve the Rubik's Cube, but at least I completed the challenge here. So I failed, but whether you win or fail, at least my foot was on the gas, and I did it to the finish line. But I wasn't able to get a gold medal, something like that. So yeah, there you have it, guys. I tried my best, but this challenge was just far beyond me. So yeah, I mean, thank you for watching and subscribe for more.